Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and what I've got in this box is the 2022 West Point American Silver Eagle Proof. Now, I usually get one of these coins each year, and I've been kind of doing this as a tradition on the channel where I get this and I do an unboxing when I get a product so that you guys can see what the current status of the United States Mint is, what kind of product they're shipping out, what my experience has been, because as we all know, the United States Mint has not been very consistent in recent times with their products. I got this package yesterday. I just finished my live stream on Thursday night. I'm gonna go ahead and film this and upload this on Friday so that you're getting pretty much as close to at the soonest that this has been released what the experience is like. I did take off the identification label on this side. There's another one on the other side that is pretty large that I'm gonna make me not be able to turn over the box, but it sounds like there's not a ton of packaging in there. Kind of sounds like there's deflated bubble wrap. I do hear the case moving around. I don't hear a coin moving around, so I'm hopeful that my coin isn't damaged like the Morgans were in 2021. So let's go ahead and get this open. See what the packaging is like on the inside. And go from there. And it looks like, yep. It is pretty much just as I thought. This bubble wrap is fully deflated. There really wasn't much from keeping that coin from bouncing around in there. Bubble wrap is pretty much deflated. Great. Hopefully that didn't damage the coin. We shall see. Here's the outer box, the 2022 American Silver Eagle 1 ounce silver proof coin. You see that that is on that side there. And the product code there on the barcode. All black, as the United States Mint has been doing in recent times. And here maybe that's just the COA bouncing around in there. Yep, the coin looks to be under that and in great shape. Here is the COA. I'll let you pause that right there if you want to read that. And here is the star of the show. The 2022 ASE from the West Point Mint. Ladies and gentlemen, looks fantastic. Let's get it out of the holder. And these are very tricky to get out. Let me show you how I do them. It's really hard to get it by the finger flip. So what I tend to do is I gently remove the outer plastic felt lined case and I push it from this tab in the back. And that usually pops this out a lot easier than trying to use that thumb tab. And there it is. Yep, that just about did it. Let's take a good up-close look at this coin and see, and really scrutinize it to see if it's got any imperfections. I think I saw something on the eagle side, but I'll reserve judgment. There's a few pieces of felt. It is a beautiful strike on this coin, I must say. It looks like an even strike. The rim looks to be even on all sides. So this side looks good. Dust on the outer cover that is easily removed. And yeah, let's take a look here. I see something. Can you see it? What I see is to the side of the wing right there, there appears to be, I'm thinking that's going to be dust. You can see it right there. Right by the inner edge of the wing, there appears to be a fair amount of dust. And actually, this side of the coin is pretty dusty. There appears to be multiple dust spots. And I am not sure if you can see that, but in this field here, there appears to be a fair amount of dust on the coin. I really think that's just a piece of lint. I'm not sure if I want to crack this out of its case. I will submit this to PCGS to get graded, and it's in there. I think we got to do it. let's crack this open and see if that is just dust, if we can just lightly blow it off or not. I'm going to put some gloves on. I'll be right back. All right, the top lens is off, and I just want to say that I had to take all of my 2021 Morgans out of their capsules, and they were pretty easy to do so. This time, this capsule was very difficult to get apart, so kudos to the United States Mint for, hopefully, making an attempt to make a capsule that sticks together better in the packaging and shipping process. So we've got the top lens off. All I really want to do is to flip this coin out and onto the back and see if that's dust. I just did blow a little bit of dust off of the right side of Lady Liberty in the field. So let's go ahead and gently flip her out. I'm going to try blowing that piece of lint off. Hopefully it's lint. Man, it's not coming off. That's about as much as I want to do to it. That is not coming off. I hope that's not a scratch. I really don't want to do anything else to this coin, and honestly, I felt safe enough doing it as much as I did because I'm going to have to take it out again when I go to resubmit it. So, to PCGS, that is. Now, I know there is some risk in opening this capsule up. I was okay with assuming that risk to see if we get that piece of lint off there. And it appears that we've got some more under there now. So when I go to submit this, I'm going to have to make sure to really clean that. But yeah, so this is the 2022 ASE from West Point, the United States Mint. And still not perfect. Not perfect from the United States Mint. And I'd be interested to see what you guys think about this experience, what your experience has been with this product. And let me know in the comments below what you think. But either way, that's going to conclude this video. It's an unboxing, and we'll see what grade this coin gets when it comes back from PCGS, probably towards the end of 2022. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, remember, click subscribe and click the bell to get notified when I release new content. If you got something to say, leave it in the comments below. Appreciate a thumbs up. And remember, as always, it's a mystery until you crack open that box of the United States Mint and see if they screwed up your order. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one.